All right. So firstly, very hearty congratulations to all the 6 participants who have very well cleared round 1. Now for round 2, there are quick instructions that I'm going to be giving now. I would request everybody to stay muted till then. Rule number 1 is that this is going to be a one-on-one event quiz. So what I'll do is I'll call out the name of one participant, and only that participant is allowed to unmute himself or herself and shall be answering via voice. You are not allowed to use any chat box. Please refrain from using a chat box unless and until you have a clear network connectivity issue. So if in case I am not able to hear you, I myself I'm going to ask you to please unmute yourself or to please write down the answer in the chat box. All right. Instruction number 2. There is a timer that will be going on. So as soon as I throw the question, you have to answer very quickly. When the time is over, I will switch to the next question, which is why I will not take into consideration the answer of the first question. Understood? Now, instruction number 3. If the rest of the participants do know the answer of the question that I am asking any one participant, you are not at all allowed to unmute yourself. This is not going to give you a cookie point. This might rather give you a minus point. Okay, so please make sure that you again adhere to these rules and regulations. Now, I am going to be naming the participants here. So we have Rishita Agarwal from Maharishi Patanjali Vidya Mandir. Do I have you here? Ishita, I need to hear your voice. Just to double check that your voice is coming clear, can you please unmute yourself and say something? Ishita, please unmute yourself. You? Ishita, now you can try unmuting yourself. Please try again.
Yes, ma'am. Now I can.
All right, great. Very good afternoon. Okay, next we have Madhvi Kesarwani from ECPS, Ewing Christian Public School.
Good afternoon, ma'am.
Good afternoon. We have Athar Jaiswal from Nyay Nagar Public School. Athar, do we have you here? You're mute. Okay. Next we have Jayash from TPS, Tagore Public.
Ma'am.
Great. We have Ruchi Kumari from Kendriya Vidyalaya Old Cant.
Good afternoon, ma'am.
Good afternoon, Ruchi. We would love to see your face.
Ma'am,
Please try and put the video on your face. Thank you. Next, we have Prashant Pandey from Nyay Nagar Public School again. All right, so we already have 2 competitors here out of 6 from the same school. Prashant, please unmute yourself.
Yes, ma'am.
Great, thank you. Now we're just going to begin in 1 minute. All right. So first we have Ishita Agarwal. Ishita, are you ready? Unmute yourself. Okay, the rest of you remain muted. So Ishita, you will be shown a slide. Here, question number 1 out here for you. What was the deal signed between Shylock and Antonio for the trade in the play Merchant of Venice by William Shakespeare? You must have read the play or heard about it.
Yes, ma'am, I have heard it. Ma'am, Merchant of Venice. Ma'am, just a second. What was the deal? Shylock and Antigone Merchant signed between Shylock and Antigone for the trade in the play.
That was a trade deal. Also involves blood.
Ma'am, I have heard it.
Time's
I
up.
don't name of
Thank you. Moving on to the next question. The deal was a pound of flesh.
bound of.
No
Ma'am, I
problem.
didn't
No
remember
problem.
the name.
Question number 2. Out there on the screen for you. Who won the French Open Grand Slam 2021?
Grand Slam 2021. Ma'am, just ma'am.
Currently
French.
ranked number 1.
Yes, ma'am. Roland. Ma'am, was it ma'am Roland Garros?
No. Just one more chance.
Ma'am, it was Roland Garros. Paris.
You're giving me.
Ma'am,
All right. Yes.
Novak. Ma'am, it was ma'am. I don't remember the surname. Ma'am, it was Novak.
Absolutely correct. Novak Djokovic. Novak Djokovic currently ranked number 1 by tennis professionals. All right.
Ma'am,
Moving on to the third question. Name the anti-COVID drug developed by DRDO.
DRDO. Ma'am, can I know the full form of DRDO?
No. You need to share the name of the drug. The name of the drug has a full form, by the way.
DRDO.
Actually,
Ma'am,
an abbreviation. Yes. All right. Time's up. It's 2DG. The rest of you, please mute yourselves. No hints. You're not helping any person. Okay. The next question. Who tops the Forbes India Rich List 2020? Very easy.
Forbes India Rich List
You
2020.
have only one rich person in the country.
Ma'am, it was ma'am Mukesh Ambani. Mukesh
Correct.
Ambani.
Correct. Okay. We have last question up for you. Are you ready?
Yes, ma'am.
All right. All right. So this is a great advertisement campaign that was done by a brand, and that brand celebrated Dandi March of Mahatma Gandhi.
Ma'am, which brand celebrated the Dandi March of Mahatma Gandhi?
Yes, apply your brain.
A new march towards freedom. Ma'am, ma'am, can I get some kind of hint for this?
The hint is that Dandi March was because of a reason. Think of a reason, you will get the answer.
For salt, Dandi March celebrated.
And I'm asking you the brand name.
Ma'am,
Think of a brand name that has salt, that sells salt. Very easy. Time's up.
Tata Salt.
Yes.
Salt.
Yes, that's Tata Salt. Thank you. All
Thank you.
right. Before I move on to the next contestant, just give me a minute. All right. So we have next participant as Madhvi Kesarwani here. Madhvi, are you ready?
Yes, ma'am.
Great. The first question up here on the screen for you. Please name the Indian variant of COVID virus.
Delta virus.
Absolutely correct. Delta virus. Thank you. Next question. Name the CEO of Serum Institute of India.
Poonawala. Other Poonawala.
Adar Poonawala.
Yes.
Correct. Thank you. Next question. Good going. Very good speed. Name the Indian version of the famous social networking platform Twitter.
Wait. Koo.
Absolutely. Cool. We all hear you. Great. Next. Number 4. Who is known as the father of Indian cinema?
Dada Saheb Phalke Award. Dada Saheb Phalke.
Absolutely correct. Dada Saheb Phalke. He's also an Indian director, a producer, and a screenwriter. Moving on to the next question. And I believe that's the last one for you. Name the product of this ad starring Amitabh Bachchan.
Polio.
Absolutely correct. Polio. Wonderful.
Polio.
Very well done. Thank you very much, Madhvi. You were brilliant. Moving on to the next participant now. Are you ready? So we have Jayash here. Jayash,
Ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
great. Name the first Indian talkie film. Obviously, you were not born. None of us were. The hint is it's in 1930 something. Time's up.
Alamara.
Alamara. Okay. Jayash, I would either request you to remove your glasses or if you're using any kind of, I hope you're not using any technical aid out there, okay? Your glasses are reflecting something.
Yes, ma'am. These are blue screen glasses. That's
Nice.
why, because.
The same do I also do have. So I know how it works. Thank you. Moving on to the next question. Full form of ICMR, which conducted the famous Sero survey.
Indian Council of Medical Research and Indian Council of Medical Research.
Absolutely brilliant, correct. Rightly answered. Moving on to the next question. Third question for you. According to Bloomberg Billionaires Index, the richest man on earth is?
Ma'am, current.
Yes,
Jeff Bezos.
Jeff Bezos. Absolutely correct. The founder and CEO of Amazon. Moving on to the next question. You need to give me the full form of tip. We give that at every restaurant. Maybe some of us never knew that it has a full form. Counting 3, 2, and 1.
Technology in process.
No, you give tip to the waiters. It's to ensure prompt service. That is a full form. Okay, we have the last question left for you. When was PUBG released for the first time?
(2017).
No, it was 2016, 30th July. All right, thank you so much, Jayash. Can we have
Thank you, ma'am.
Can we have a third now?
Yes, ma'am.
All right, just a second, Atharv. I cannot see you on the screen. All right, I can now. Okay. Qatar, we are the fourth participant. Let's begin. Name the present Chief Justice of Supreme Court of India.
Ma'am Ramana.
Absolutely. Do you know his full name? By any
Ma'am,
chance?
I think, ma'am, sorry, ma'am, I don't.
That's okay. Point given. All right. So just serving as his 40th year of
Yes, ma'am.
service. Okay. Moving on to the next question. First newspaper of
SSP
India.
Ramana.
Yes.
First newspaper, ma'am, Hindustan. Ma'am, the Hindustan in 1889, ma'am, first time was. According to my modern history.
That's okay. We'll just move one more century before. It's 1780. It's the Bengal Gazette. Okay. All right. Next. Name the mosque in which the tussle between Israel and Palestine took place.
Jerusalem. Ma'am, it's Jerusalem.
No.
Ma'am,
3, 2,
Jerusalem.
backwards counting. And 1.
Sorry, ma'am.
Correct. Alaska Mosque.
Alaska Mosque.
All right. Next. I believe you know this. Recognize this news anchor.
I think it's Richa Singh.
Very close. You're close. Very close. I'm giving you 5 seconds more. Think. Name the channel on which she.
Aaj Tak.
Yeah, that's given on the mic. In the picture. Now think. What's her name?
Richa Singh, Ruchita Singh, like
Shweta Singh.
Shweta Singh.
Shweta Singh.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. All right. Can we proceed to the next question? Are you ready?
Yes, ma'am.
All right. Perfect. In India, the first film was screened at which place?
At which place?
Yes, at which place?
Ma'am, theater name or a place?
Either would do. Right now.
Ma'am, it's Mumbai, but place.
You remember it's Mumbai? That's absolutely correct.
Ma'am,
Do you remember the name of the place at which?
Bandra Terminal. Bandra Seva.
No, the residence was Watson Hotel.
Watson Hotel.
Never mind. All right. Moving on. We have now the fifth participant. Now, can we have Ruchi Kumari? Ruchi, I would ask you to unmute yourself.
Uh,
All right, great. Are we set?
yes.
All right, get a go. Who invented Bitcoin?
Ma'am.
I'll give you a bonus question. Do you know when was Bitcoin invented?
Ma'am, 2015.
Sorry,
2015.
15?
Ma'am, 2015.
15.
2015.
No. It was actually a digital currency that was created in 2009 for the very first time. All right. And it was actually invented by Nakamoto. All right. That was a Japanese man. Let's move on. Name the Indian Hindi reporter who recently was awarded with Ramon Magsaysay Award. I'll give you a hint to answer this question. He currently
Okay, ma'am.
works for a very famous news channel. That's by the name of NDTV. That's the closest hint I can give you.
Ma'am, Ravish Kumar.
Yes, Ravish Kumar. All right. Moving on to the next question. Name the first ever player in men's cricket to score 300,000 runs in T20 internationals. A very, very young achiever we have from our country.
Okay, so Yuvraj Singh.
5. I 4.
Ma'am, Virat Kohli.
Absolutely correct. That's Virat Kohli. You get a plus point for this one. The last question up for you. The second last question. Okay.
What is the name?
What is the name of the Indian government's ambitious project to construct the new parliament? You need to name the project.
Ma'am, I don't know.
All right. Time is running out. It's 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Now, anybody out here who has an answer?
Ma'am,
Vista.
Central Vista.
Central
Central Vista.
Vista Redevelopment
Vista.
Project.
All right. Thank you for the information. Okay, I hope that must have helped Ruchi to improve her grade cells. Next question. Now, this is a very interesting question. You need to recognize the stamp. The stamp represents a place. That's a very famous place. A great hint for the people who are YouTube watchers currently. The rest of you, I do can sense that you want to speak up, but you're not allowed to.
Ma'am, Shimla.
Okay, Athar is trying to know. Athar, no, do not unmute yourself. We know that you know. Okay, no.
Ma'am, do I have to name the place or this location?
You need to name the place. Location, can you tell us the location?
No, ma'am, I don't exactly know.
Do you know the name of the place?
Ma'am, I can just guess the name of the city.
Give me
or,
the name of the city quickly. Give me the name of the city.
Ma'am, Shimla.
Shimla. No, that's wrong. Okay, time's up. Now, before anybody moves ahead, anybody would like to answer?
Yes,
I'm
ma'am.
Lavasana Mathur.
Lavasana.
Yes, wonderful.
Lal
Now,
Bahadur Shastri. Yes.
great. The famous YouTube series that was recently curated on this
TVF aspirant.
UPSC aspirant. Wonderful. This stamp was shown at least 50 times there in the movie. All right. Next. So we have the sixth participant. We have now Prashant Pandey here. Can we, Prashant, are
Yes.
you there?
Yes, ma'am.
All right, great. What is the full form of PMJ scheme commonly known as Ayushman Bharat?
Prime Minister.
Obviously, the PM stands for Prime Minister. Please give us the full name of the scheme.
Don't know, ma'am.
Okay, the Y in India always stands for Yojana. That's how.
Yojana.
Yes. So, okay. So, you do not get a plus any point for this one. Moving ahead to the next question. Which company has recently launched a dedicated web portal, the Women Will Web, for women entrepreneurs?
Women will web. Don't know, ma'am.
All right. You do not want a hint? There are 5 seconds. You all are dependent on this company for now and I believe forever, since everything has gone online. The name of the company is Google. Okay. Moving ahead. Name the table tennis player who won the prestigious Rajiv Gandhi Khel Ratna Award 2020.
20, ma'am.
Now this person, a hint for you is this person has also won gold in Commonwealth Games and bronze in Asian Games.
Manika Batra.
Manika Batra. Very good.
Yes.
Thank you. Plus point. Now, next question. Which football club won the prestigious league championship 2021? Very easy. If you're a football fan.
Real Madrid.
So we have no, time's up. Time's up. That's Chelsea. Okay. No problem. We do have one more question for you. Name the Indian COVID-19 application used for contact tracing, syndromic mapping, and self-assessment. All right.
Arogya Setu.
Without this app, it's hard to survive now.
Arogya Setu.
Arogya Setu app. Absolutely. Rightly answered. Thank you. Just give me a moment. Check your scores and I'll be right back. Okay, so we have a tiebreaker round because we have multiple participants out here who have given equal amount of correct answers. So I'm going to be naming the participants now. The first name is Athar.
Yes, ma'am.
The second name, Ruchi. The third name, Prashant. So now all three of you, I will be asking you people one question each. So when I'll be
Are these
naming,
all three on same marks, ma'am? All got same marks?
I would request everybody to please mute themselves. All right, thank you. Okay, so I will be asking you people one question each. So the first question goes for Athar.
Yes, ma'am.
This is a tiebreaker. Remember, think properly and then answer. Okay, nobody else will disturb you. Name the state where we first confirmed the COVID-19 virus found in India.
Ma'am, Kerala.
Correct, Kerala. Thank you. Now, the next question goes for Ruchi.
Yes, ma'am.
Name the present captain of Indian football team.
Ma'am, can I tell his surname? Like,
Go ahead, time's running out.
he is some Chetri.
He's not some Chetri, he's Sunil Chetri.
Yeah, sorry, Sunil Chetri.
Sunil Chetri. So since it was a tiebreaker, so you of course you need to give a full answer correctly. We cannot take even a 50% mark here. So unfortunately, we cannot take the answer into consideration. All right.
Okay.
So
Okay,
we
ma'am.
have the third participant by the name of Prashant. Prashant, ready?
Yes, ma'am.
All right. Coming up. Swaraj is my birthright. Who said this slogan?
Swaraj is in the birth.
That man is just out there in the picture if you want to recognize him.
Good man.
All right, we have 3,
Wait, ma'am.
2,
Bal Gangadhar Tilak.
Bal Gangadhar Tilak. Thank
Yes,
you.
ma'am.
That's correct. Now you've made this little less tough, I would say. Now we have 2 people. We have to again break the tie. We'll have one more question. We'll be asking 2 of you. All right. Now what I'll do is, just to make this a little more interesting, I would want to have Prashant and the second person, Athar, equally unmute yourself. Now the first person, whoever tells me the answer, will be considered. All right. Just unmute.
Okay.
It's called first come, first serve basis. All right. So you got a chance to win the great goodie, either the laptop or equivalent prizes based on this question. Coming up right here. Who was known?
Charles Babbage. Charles Babbage. Charles Babbage.
Okay, Charles Babbage. Okay, Athar. I think that
Yes,
sound was Athar.
Yes, ma'am.
I was also said, ma'am.
Yeah, even I think both of you said. Let's. We are not short of questions. You know what? We are great amount
Okay.
of questions for such calamities, natural disasters to occur like this.
प्रशांत भाई शांत हो जाए यार.
So I'm going to show up one more question for the 2 of you.
Okay, ma'am.
Since both of you can disentangle yourself, now Prashant, next question is up for you. Next is going to be Atharv's. Okay, Prashant, you first. Identify this famous personality. Oh, no murmuring, please. Use your own brain.
Yes.
Time's up. Sorry. Atharv, would you like to take this question?
Ma'am, C.R. Ramanujan.
Sorry?
Ma'am, I think it's C.R. Ramanujan.
No. It's very close to the first name, though. It's C.V. Raman.
C.R. Das. C. Raman.
C.V. Raman. Okay. But since
C.V.
it
Raman.
was, since the question did not belong to you, you do have a chance
Okay.
because we need to finalize the third participant. Okay. Who played the role of
There is a room of Milkha Singh.
Milkha Singh in the movie Bhag Mein
Ma'am,
Kam?
it's Arbaz Khan.
Atharv, the question was for you.
Can I
Yes,
say?
ma'am. Arbaz Khan. Oh.
Okay. Atharv, thank you. Prashant, over to you.
Ma'am, sorry, ma'am. Akhtar. Ma'am, first I said. Ma'am, first I said, ma'am. Ma'am, first I said,
Sorry,
ma'am.
I'm sorry.
Farhan Akhtar.
Time is the only thing that runs out.
Ma'am, I said within a time, ma'am. Ma'am, you didn't
No.
say time's over, ma'am. You didn't say time's over, ma'am.
I said if your time is up, Prashant. That's
Yes,
what I
ma'am.
said.
Ma'am, I said, ma'am, Farhan Akhtar.
Farhan Akhtar. You were a little bit late though.
Ma'am, please, ma'am. Ma'am, it's my question, no, ma'am. Then again, question. Ma'am, there should be again new question, ma'am.
Okay. Okay, in that case, what I'm going to do is both of you mute yourself. I'm going to be showing the last question now. You know how to do this function on Zoom? Do you know how to raise a hand?
Yes, ma'am.
Find it out immediately.
Yes, ma'am. Yes.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
You know,
Do we mute or unmute?
obviously you need to mute yourself and then raise your hand. Correct? So mute yourselves.
Yes, ma'am.
Now, whoever will raise the hand, I'm going to be taking the name. Only that person will answer. You cannot speak the answer. If you speak the answer, I am assuring you that I will disqualify you. All right? So no word coming out of your mouth. You need to be mute. Just put your hands on the raise hand icon. As soon as I show the question, if you know the answer, just raise your hand and wait for me to call out your name. Name the present HRD Education Minister. Okay, Atharv is the first one who raised the hand. Okay, Atharv, unmute, speak.
Ma'am, Honorable Ramesh Pokhriyal.
Perfect. Thank you very much. Very close. Very closely
you.
done. Thank you very much. We have our third winner now. Great. So we will be officially announcing the winners tomorrow in the closing ceremony. I would request everybody to join in. Although the great news is that all 6 of you who have participated, you're not going empty-handed. You know, you already have a cookie point with you. You are definitely going to get some goodies, although not the final round ones. All right. Great participation, great brains shown, good speed. Thank you very much. And I'm wishing you all the very best.
Thank you,
Thank you,
ma'am.
ma'am.
Have a nice day, ma'am.
Thank you.
Thank you, ma'am.
Ma'am, should I leave? हो गया